Welcome back to another K-Core Fort Myers online tour. Today I'm coming from Brightwater in North Fort Myers. Okay, today I got this beautiful model home from Maronda that I want to show you. It's located in Brightwater. So what we're going to do now, I'm just going to give you a tour of the home. And then at the end of the tour, I'm going to go back to the Lagoon and show you the progress of what's going on the building of the Lagoon. If you're new to the channel and you haven't seen the Brightwaters, I'm going to put the links below so you can see the other videos that I have done on this community. So that way you can familiarize. It's a beautiful community with a humongous lagoon pool that is breathtaking. So stay at the end of the video, and they got some new banners in front of the pool showing you what's going to look like, and that way you get to see what's going on. So let's get started with this Maronda home. This home has 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, 2,151 square feet finished. As you can see, they're using the garage as their office. Also, there's some things inside that are different because they're using this model as an office. That happens in a lot of these model homes that they turn it into offices. So let's go inside. As you come in, you're welcome with this humongous 8-foot door. Okay, let me stand over here so you visualize better. Check out the crown molding here. Very nice entrance. Okay, when you come in to your right, you have a bathroom. Okay, this bathroom is, like I said before, it's for the office, so it doesn't have a shower. So this is just for you to get an idea of the size of the bathroom, but that would be the bathroom there. Over here you got room number 1. So sailboat decorated, very nice. Check out, nice big closet. Okay, let me stand on this side so you can visualize the size. I got the plans here, so let me give you an idea of the size of the room. This room is 10 feet 2 inches by 12. Okay. And check the height of the ceiling. You can see it there in the video. Okay, let's keep going. Now this is room number 2. Stand over here. Tell me what you think. Please give me comments below what you think about this Maronda home. This is the Miramar floor plan. You see this space here? Yeah, the closet stops right there. Okay, let me stand over here in this corner. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, the reason why that wall there, because you have a closet over here. So that's the reason why this wall over this closet here doesn't go side to side. So behind this section here is the closet that is inside the bathroom. So I'm just trying to figure out why that other closet didn't go. There it goes. Oh. Let's keep going. So you continue here. Over here to your left, you have the 3rd bedroom. Here they're using it as with all the different tiles and carpets and everything here. It's a short room here. Okay, let me give you the Let me give you a size. Approximately the size of this room, it's 10 feet 4 inches by 13 feet. So that way you get an idea. Okay. Let's keep going. Over here, we're in the laundry room. There's plenty of space over here. So AC. Over here you also have your box for your internet. This is really cool to have, so you can put all your internet connections in here. So, and then from here goes all throughout the house. It's very nice to have. Let's keep going. We're coming into this big area here with a dining room, living room, and we got the kitchen on this side, but I'm gonna first take you to the master bedroom. Okay, master bedroom is a humongous size. Check out what a nice crown molding in the comfort ceiling up here with the spotlights. Very nice. This room here, it's 15 feet by 16 feet 8 inches. And over here to your right, you have the closet. It's a humongous closet here. Let me go inside so you can visualize it. As you can see, it has another of those internet boxes. Let me see what if you have something inside. Not just the hookups and the cables. Okay. Big closet. And let's look at the room. Okay, from this corner over here, you see it has an open to the bathroom. Most of the homes, they have the closet inside the bathroom, and sometimes they have a door before you go in the bathroom, but this one actually has a closet here in front. And then you got your master bathroom over here. And it's all open from the master bedroom. It's beautiful. Granite countertop, 2 sinks, but it's extremely large area. Check out the size of that mirror and the countertop. It's big. You also have a lot of cabinet space going with all that, and drawers. Check it out. And over here you have more cabinet space. Very nice. And then you have this humongous shower. You got your shower from above. Let me see if I can get in here, show you. There's a regular shower, and then over here you got water coming from above, and over there you got another shower. So it's very nice. You have 2 people can take a shower easy in here. So very nice. I've never seen a double shower like this before, first time. Over here you got your tub. And then over here you got your toilet closet here. So tell me what you think about this home. Please give me write in your comments below. And let's go to the kitchen. Check out this kitchen. A reason why I didn't go in the kitchen before, because someone was here, so I didn't want to disturb them. Here's your pantry. You have your Samsung double oven. Your Samsung microwave. Check out the stove, glass stove. Okay. And your Samsung refrigerator. Check out the size of that island. It fits 4. Very nice. You got your dishwasher over there. Like, some of the other homes that I have shown in my videos, the nice things about this layout is that you get to have, everybody in the kitchen, you could say. So that way, if you have guests, you could be cooking and entertaining at the same time. And I can tell you this room is huge. And let me see if I can get the size here. The dining room is 17 by 14. The great room is 17 by 14. So it's a pretty big room when you add the dining room with the living room together. So, and now, let's go outside. Outside you have a nice green lanai. Pretty nice size. Let me stand over here in the corner so you can see it. Okay. Very nice. Pretty good size. Okay. We're back inside. Well, I hope you enjoyed this beautiful motorhome from Maronda Home, the Miramar. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372, and we'll be glad to help you. Remember, my wife and I have been doing real estate in Fort Myers, Cape Coral, in the Southwest Florida for over 20 years. So if you're looking in this community or any other community, or you're looking for something specific, just give us a call and we could help you out. And now I'm gonna go outside to where the lagoon is, and I'm gonna do a little video update showing you how the construction is doing on the lagoon. Okay, this is the update that I promised. As you can see, there's a lot of things happening here. See, you have a whole bunch of Caterpillar bulldozers and excavators ready to work here, okay? You also have some massive trucks all the way on the back. And let me get close so I can show you a little bit of what the lagoon's gonna look like. Can't wait to do this when this thing is finished. Okay, check it out. This is the lagoon that's coming here. It's gonna be humongous. Okay, so things are starting to move here. If you have seen my previous videos, you have seen that, it has taken their time to start doing this, but now looks like it's on the go. Let me come over here. They put a couple banners here and signs that shows you what's going on here. Okay, this will be the welcome ticket center. Remember, this is also open to the public, so if you live here, you have the access of being walking distance to this incredible park here. Also, over here shows you the Sand Dollar Island. You see, they have a little island in the middle of the pool. You also got all those things to do in the middle of the pool for the kids. You got slides. You got here it just shows you have, a lot of amenities for things to do here. Okay, let's move to the next one. Over here is the Cabana Cove. Looks like it's the restaurant and the bar. Right here, real nice. And then over here, this is like a northwest view. Showing you from the northwest how long this thing is gonna be. Look at that. So, like I said before, I just wanted to give you a little update. Just imagine this, it's gonna be a humongous pool here coming real soon, okay? So, I hope you enjoyed this little update, And if you have any questions, remember, feel free to contact us at 239-410-7372. We would love to help you on this community or any communities in Southwest Florida. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed it and see you on the next video.